So are you looking for a super easy and refreshing summer dessert? This coconut pudding is just what you need, made with fresh coconut water. And it's so simple and easy to make. The pudding is so soft and smooth that it melts in your mouth with every bite, leaving a sweet, refreshing taste that's just perfect for summer. You will be craving more with every bite. So let's make the recipe. At first, here I am taking 1 green coconut and carefully extract the coconut water. Strain the coconut water through a fine sieve to remove any small particles. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now pour the strained coconut water into a pan. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar and stir well until it dissolves completely. Here add the sugar according to your taste. If the coconut water is naturally sweet, then you need to add less sugar to keep the pudding from being too sweet. So you need to taste the coconut water before adding the sugar and decide accordingly, sweeten to your preference. Now add 2 teaspoons of agar powder into the mixture, making sure to stir continuously to avoid lumps. Boil for a few minutes until the agar powder is fully dissolved. Once the mixture is ready, carefully pour it in a mold of your choice. Friends, there are more delicious and easy recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Add a few fresh mint leaves on top for a refreshing aroma and garnish. This step is totally optional. If you want, you can skip this step. Now allow the pudding to cool down completely at room temperature. Once cooled, place it in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours to set properly. So after the pudding has fully set, gently unmold it onto a serving plate. Enjoy the soft, smooth and refreshing coconut pudding chilled. If you would like to ask anything about the recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. This coconut pudding recipe is not only a refreshing and delicious treat for summer days, but also very easy to make. By adjusting the sugar to your taste, you can make a dessert that's as sweet or as light as you prefer. This coconut pudding is perfect for summer. It's light, refreshing and super hydrating. It's a great way to stay refreshed while enjoying a tasty dessert. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes.